I'm gonna show you what I do when it's raining outside. I don't want to get my hair wet because either my curls are popping or my hair is flat, and I don't want any interruptions in my look. So what I do, instead of doing the little Red Riding Hood look, what I do is, boom, I put it right here. I make a knot at the end, like so. Easy peasy. Then I take it, twist it, throw it over my head. Then, in the back, I adjust it. My dog. By the way, this is take 4 because my dog wouldn't leave me alone, so it is what it is. Then you float, put it up to the front, and there it is. A nice little cover and nothing in the front.